Does your Ryobi wet dry vac not work when you hit the switch with the battery in? I got it fixed, so that's why the battery's out right now, but I did a lot of wet vac, hit the switch, nothing happened. What do? All right, you take this thing apart. It is not easy to get this thing apart. So unclip it. And then what I did, I could not find the right screwdriver to get these screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 plus. There are a couple screws underneath this gasket. There's 2. I forgot which side. The one I marked up the most, probably this one. So there's 2 little screws. I just drilled them out. Boom. Got a metal drill bit, drilled them out. Not messing around with this. I couldn't find a screwdriver with the right torques and to get those things out. The juice was not worth the squeeze. What I did then, boom, open this up. There is a motor in here, guys. There's a motor right there. This is just like a car in a way, like most motors. After you do a lot of wet dry vacuuming, sometimes moisture gets up in here and the motor just kind of, not rust out, but kind of seizes up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get that in there. That is the motor. What I did, all right, solution, boom, put this back together, this is your friend. This is Yamashield, any electronic safe, waterproof, lubricant, rust, and corrosion protection. Yeah, what does it say here? Good stuff. I use it on outboards and use it on an electronic component. It works fine. I just sprayed the motor, spun the wheel a bit with a screwdriver to make sure it got lubricated, and then we put this puppy back together, which is not easy with one hand. All right, put it back together. Freshly charged battery. Also, I put dielectric grease on the ends here and on the prongs just to prevent any future corrosion on this end. Plug that in. It works. I thought maybe with most Ryobis they had an internal fuse. This did not. The biggest problem was getting the screws. I said, man, just get a drill, bust them out. When you put this thing back together, it's going to be fine. It's going to hold, and it pulls suction on it. Here, let's get this over here. Oh, man, one-handed. Come on, dude. Oh, realities of video making. All right. Power up, Big Daddy. We have suction just the way we like it, guys. Woo! All right, that's it. Hope that helps. Don't throw this out. This costs what, 50, 60 bucks, man? That's a lot of money. Come on. So just pop it open. It works. It works. Spray the freaking motor. There's no fuse. Check the wires. Mostly moisture got in the motor and seized it up. All right, hope that helps. I'm out.